Let's do some examples of integer problems. In this first one I have -6 minus a -8. This is going to turn into 6 plus 8. When I add 6 plus 8 together, I get 14. The reason I turned it into a positive is because of my rule of when the operator and the sign are the same, you change to plus. Alright, now this one here, again we have the operator and the sign being the same, so I would rewrite this problem as -4 plus 3. Again, how did I get the plus 3? My operator was negative and my sign was negative, and my rule for that is to change that into a positive. Now, -4 has the bigger absolute value, so I'm going to subtract these two. My answer is going to be negative because -4 has the bigger absolute value. My answer is 1. 5 times 5 is really easy. Your answer there is just 25. Okay, in the next example we have 7 times -10. A positive number times a negative number is a negative number, so my answer is -70. Let's take a look at a couple more examples here. Sorry for that little piece of dead air time. We just finished this one here, so I'm going to cross that one out. I have a -8 times a -7. Negative times negative is positive, so my answer to this one is 56. My rule for multiplying two negative numbers together is that your answer is positive. In this division problem here, I have a negative number divided by a positive number. Negative divided by positive equals negative. So when I do -36 divided by 6, I am going to get 6, and then my answer is going to be negative. Okay, a negative number, which I have here, -7 times a positive 6, negative times positive is negative, so my answer is going to be -42. So I write -42. Just a couple more examples off this page. In this problem I have a positive number divided by a negative number. I have my positive number divided by my negative number, and my answer is going to be negative. So 30 divided by 6 is 5, and remember it's a negative, so I'm going to put my -5. In this example here, I have a negative number divided by a negative number. Negative divided by negative is positive. That's my rule. So when I do a -42 divided by a -6, I get a +7.